dude. I am on here because we're just way too excited. This is
I called you right away. I know,
dude, right away. All right, 72 hours, less than 72 hours, 4K in the bank, and dude, you didn't even lift a fucking finger. Tell me about this. Tell me about tell everybody. I want everyone to boom.
So basically, a lead said they were interested, and so
wait a minute. So hold on a second. The lead. So talk about this. How did you get the lead, huh? But tell them about my system, because people don't even understand it.
Okay, so the VA, the trained VA, who was doing the outreach,
correct,
sent the lead over, right? And I didn't even message the lead. Okay, the lead actually messaged me. They're like, hey, what are you offering? And so then I tried to give them a call, and they were like, hey, can we just text? So I started texting them and, saying, hey, this is what I offer. This is what I do. They started asking me some more information. And I was just, going about my day, not really thinking anything of it. And then next thing I know, the guy's like, hey, can you give me a call? I said, sure, no problem. So I gave him a call. And within 5 minutes, he's like, man, I told him what I do. I told him exactly what I could do for him. He's like, I'm down. Let's do it.
Yeah.
How much do you charge? And then I told him, he's like, we'll meet Monday, send me the contract, let's get it.
Yeah. So what I want you to explain to people is what you were just saying all to me, dude, we just got off Skype, and you're like, what did the dude say to you about reaching out to him? Repeat that.
Yeah. So the crazy thing was, he said, look, man, I'm very impressed that you went through my website to get to me, because I'm a very aggressive person. So when someone else is aggressive, I actually look really high to that. And I couldn't actually believe that he said that, because for me, I would think the complete opposite. No one would really want that. He said that's what sold him on reaching out to me, was because other people have not done that. He said he's dealt with a ton of marketers. He's dealt with a ton of emails, people reaching out on Facebook, all of that. And he said, because went through the website.
You did it. Now listen, there's not many people watching this. I don't know how many people watching it, and it's too bad if you're not watching, because we're literally giving you gold right now. So if you're not listening to what he's saying, this wasn't cold email. This is another trick that I do that I guess everyone knows now.
Yeah, I actually, when he said that, it blew my mind, because I didn't even mention any of that. He said that to me. He was like, because this happened, that's why I'm reaching out, because I've been doing this for over 20 years. He said he's been in his business for over 20 years. And he's like, look, when that happened, I was like, okay, yeah, I'll entertain it. I'll talk to you. And I didn't even do anything.
Nothing. 0.
3 days. Dude, my mind's blown right now. I'm 100% honest. I can't believe this. I can't believe it. I'm like, give me more. Give me more, baby. Let's go. Give me one of these a week.
Week? Bro.
Give me one a week.
They're all starting to come in. I'm looking, because I follow. Obviously, I'm monitoring all your stuff. That's what this program's about. I handle it. It's my shit. My shit is done. That's it. You don't need to fucking figure it out. You don't figure it out. You come in here. My team is trained. I've got all the systems. I've got everything. I plug it in. You sit back and just pick up the phone and collect the freaking credit card.
I've been doing this for 3 years, owning a marketing. I'm just going to be transparent with everyone.
Go for it.
I do pretty good. I've disclosed that to you. I do really good. And I came to you because I really want to scale. And that was probably the easiest close I've ever had. And I get 80% referral business, and referral business is easy to close. That guy was he was just ready to go, man.
Bro,
I couldn't believe it. I thought he was playing a joke on me at first. I was like, there's no way. He let me pick the time for the meeting too, which is crazy. I was like, what time works for you? He's like, just throw it in your calendar. I'll be there. I'm like, what?
Dude, welcome to the club, man. Welcome to the club.